Tomorrow night on Sports Nightly, we'll go in-depth on St. John's as the Titans kick off the season in 2 weeks at home against Waite before facing Anthony Wayne on the road and then hosting Perrysburg to wrap up the non-conference slate. The Titans have made the postseason in each of Larry McDaniel's 5 years as head coach while continually having to replace Division I college players on the Titans roster. So with Brady Lichtenberg at Cincinnati, Thomas Zyros at Toledo, and Jaden McKinstry at BG, it's business as usual on Airport Highway. You lose your quarterback, you lose 2 of your top receivers to Division I programs. Are you going to be able to score the ball at all this year?
Well, you know what? We hope so. We really do. We've talked about it. We've joked with it with our coaches, especially our offensive coaches. And we said, for the first time in 4 years, you're going to have to coach. And that's what our coaches are going to have to do. I love all those kids that we lost. Obviously, they're going to do great things at the next level. But we've got a great group of kids that were just waiting their turn. And I think this is their time.
Yeah, we're going to be in pretty good hands because we're just going to come out, compete, and just work harder than everybody because that's really just what we're going to do, just compete.
Well, I feel like a lot of us have been waiting in the shadows because seeing how good our class of 21 was. And I think I'm really more excited just to play with all my brothers at this point.
I think that, obviously with Coach Pearson before me, he laid a foundation that it's a foundation of excellence. And our kids know that that's what's expected. They know that every year we're going to have a group graduate and usually going to be great group of kids, but that next group has to step up, and that's what these guys have to do.